Imagine strapping a miniature stadium jumbotron to your wrist. That's the bold promise of Garmin's groundbreaking $2,000 Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED smartwatch. But is this revolutionary display worth the hefty price tag? In a year brimming with Garmin releases, the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED undeniably steals the spotlight. It's not just another smartwatch. It's the world's first to boast a microLED display, a technology poised to revolutionize the industry. Having tested nearly every Garmin watch released this year, including the impressive AMOLED-equipped Fenix 8 Pro, I was skeptical about the microLED's claimed superiority. After all, AMOLED screens are already renowned for their brightness and vibrancy. And this is the part most people miss. The microLED display isn't just about being brighter, it's about clarity and visibility from every angle. Garmin's display chief, Ralph Polshak, aptly describes it as a miniaturized jumbotron, packing over 400,000 individual LEDs. This translates to a screen that's not only dazzlingly bright, but also remarkably clear, even when viewed from oblique angles. During my tests, while running with both the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED and the Garmin Forerunner 970, another AMOLED powerhouse, the microLED's stats remained crisp and readable, even when glanced at sideways, a noticeable advantage over its AMOLED counterpart. But here's where it gets controversial. While the microLED display is undeniably impressive, it comes at a cost, literally and figuratively. The Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED is significantly larger, thicker, and heavier than other Fenix models, making it less comfortable for extended wear, especially for those with slender wrists. Additionally, despite its premium price, the microLED version offers no feature upgrades beyond the screen compared to the more affordable AMOLED model. Battery life, too, takes a hit, falling short of the AMOLED's endurance. So, is the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED worth the splurge? It's a tough call. While the microLED display is a technological marvel, its current drawbacks, size, weight, cost, and battery life, make it a niche choice, a luxury for early adopters and tech enthusiasts. However, witnessing this innovation firsthand has me excited for the future. As microLED technology matures and becomes more efficient, we can expect it to become a standard feature, transforming the smartwatch landscape. What do you think? Is the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED's groundbreaking display worth the compromises, or is it a step too far for now? Let me know in the comments below.